Welcome back, beloveds. As you all know, I live on the Sunshine Coast, and when I actually live on a mountain on the Sunshine Coast, and when we get a lot of rain, we get worms coming up from the ground, and this is an actual picture, a photograph of a worm I took about a year ago. This is actually located near a church. So another picture and the fourth one. So you can see the size of it. This is actually a proper garden worm. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments, have you seen worms this big? And for those of you who live in Queensland, you'll know exactly where I live because of the size of the worm. So take care of yourselves and each other. Have a good day. Lots of love, light and blessings. Bye.